that's true. इसको एक्चुअली हम लोग भोपू मैन बुलाते हैं क्योंकि वो जो लोगो में है ना वो भोपू ही के साथ है. एक बार वंस मैंने कुछ पैसे बने थे हमारे पहले पिक्चर से, तो मैंने सोचा कि ये पैसे जो है मैं इससे लोगो थोड़ा दमदार बना दूँ, आई शुड क्लीन इट अप एंड ऑल. तो उसको सरप्राइज देने के लिए मैंने एक कंपनी को लाया एंड आई गिव देम द मनी. आई सेड मेक इट नाइस एंड शाइनी एंड स्लिक एंड एवरीथिंग. तो वो उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से एनिमेशन करवा के जो यहाँ पे एकदम एक स्क्रैची स्क्रैची जैसा है उसको बड़ा ही 3D जैसे बना के लाया था. एंड वी प्लेड इट फॉर निखिल. और मैं आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर निखिल टू से वाओ व्हाट अ सिस्टर, शी इज मेड माई लोगो सो गुड. Instead, can I imitate what you did? Nikhil stood, why are you doing this to me? This is me. This is my struggle. I am always going to be incomplete, and that's why I'll always fight harder to make my movies. So, Bhopu Man and MA, that's what we stand for. We stand for a struggle. And today we've really just taken a break to just turn around and say a big thank you to everybody. Thank you for being here for us and for this Bhopu Man also.
Something about the journey of MA? You don't want to say anything? The Bhopu Man is the journey, okay. Nikhil, I hope you still love me. My question to you is, agar kal ho na ho, to aaj is D-Day pe, who would you like to do Katti with and Bhatti with?
I want to
In
kill
your
you.
Batla house.
Oh my God.
So obviously I am the Katti.
I have not even heard this question, Milap. It has just gone flying across.
Like my films. Nikhil, please speak whatever your heart says about MA, what do you feel today. Batla House is a success. You've got the most phenomenal reviews. And 3 cheers for Nikhil. For all of us, it's such a happy and proud moment that, the film is such a loved, respected and successful film. What would you like to say to everyone, to media, to everyone about that?
Nothing. I mean, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has loved the film. All my school friends have messaged me and said that, hey, how's the film doing? And I just, the Times of India ad, I forwarded to everybody with the stars. And it's for somebody who's been an assistant director all his life, all my ADs are at the back. All my ADs are there. And they're all directing today. So I think the biggest legacy that MA can have is that we back talent. When nobody's backing anybody else, we want to back them, no matter what happens. Whether they are writers, whether they are music directors, whether they're lyrics writers, whether they are directors. I think that it's very tough what we are doing. Half the films that I was watching, I was saying, my God, why did I make those films? But when you make an airlift and you make Batla House is not, it's still, jury is still out, but we are getting there. D-Day, Satyamev Jayate, Bazaar, Lucknow Central. I'm not taking Katti Bhatti and heroes' names because those were my missteps. But they allowed me to learn. I think the one thing that I conned both these two wonderful ladies to do, I remember we were in, they could afford the club in Four Seasons, 37th floor, because they both were, very well to do, and I met them there and they said, okay, what do you want? And I said, I want to start a production company and I need you all to watch my back. And they said, yeah, what do you have to do in a production? I said, nothing. Just come for the parties and enjoy yourself. You don't have to do anything. Nothing has to do. You'll have a great time. We'll go to this thing. We'll go to Olive. We'll go here. We'll go here. Nothing. You don't have to do anything. And I remember we were about a week ago. Today is the 19th. On the 13th, Madhu and I were standing. We had been standing for 8 hours in the court to release Batla House. It was 8 hours. We were standing from 10 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the evening. And I looked back and Monisha was sitting over there and she was japoing some mala. And I was thinking back to that day when I said, nothing. You don't have to do anything. You just have to just enjoy all the parties. We'll go for a lot of parties. But it's been a big party being here. It's been a huge party. And we've celebrated even when we failed. We had bigger celebrations when we failed, in fact. And we hope to we hope to keep going on. 8 is just the beginning, I think. Thank you for being here.
Members of the press, any questions for them? You can please feel free.
Sorry? जी मैं क्या बोलूं ऑडियंस की रिस्पांस देख के मतलब
आपकी मुंह से हम सुनना
मैं
चाहते
अगर
हैं।
अगर मैं इफ आई स्टैंड से मैं थोड़ा और वक्त इधर बिताऊंगा मैं रो पड़ूंगा इट्स बीन क्रेजी मतलब मैं सिर्फ देख देख के पागल हो रहा हूँ सारे रिस्पॉन्सेज जो आ रहे बहुत ही मतलब जॉन और मैं वो एक दूसरे से बात करते रहते फोन कैन यू बिलीव दिस इसने ये किया उसने ये किया इंडस्ट्री की भी रिस्पॉन्स बहुत बहुत ही कमाल की है ऑडियंस की भी रिस्पॉन्स बहुत ही कमाल की है दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट थिंग as far as we are I mean it's very very heartwarming it's very heartwarming
So my question to you is आपने कहा कि critical acclaim बहुत अच्छा मिला है but talking about the box office मतलब जिस तरीके से it has faced competition with Mission Mangal and then first day में भी collections में थोड़ा सा मतलब effect पड़ा था due to prints जो नहीं
जी,
पहुंच पाए
जी,
थे so how
जी।
do you look at this revenue जो ये अभी तक हुआ revenue को उसका आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं
I don't. For me, I mean, everything, whatever it is, box office as well as critical acclaim, it's been a dream ride as far as I'm concerned. I think that on the 13th, we thought the film was not going to release, right? We were just holding our breath. I mean, literally, we came out. Madhu and I were just, we were at 1:30, we thought film gayi. At 2 o'clock, we felt okay, there's a chance. At 5 o'clock, we felt okay, it can happen. We might be able to release it. So it's been a dream run. Listen, full marks to Mission Mangal. Yeah. I mean, they got it right. They positioned the film correctly. I spoke with Akshay at 6:30 in the morning today. He called me up at 6:30 in the morning because I messaged him saying, "Sir, 8 saal ho gaye," and he's such a big part of MA is Akshay Kumar. Without Akshay Kumar, we would not be here. So yeah.
Hi, Nikhil. Oh, yeah. Hi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, congratulations on your 8 years. I think it's a
Thank you.
fantastic achievement. I have two questions for you. One, over the last 8 years, what are the challenges that you and your team have overcome? And two, what is the immediate roadmap? What's on your first milestone? What's the first milestone you want to achieve?
First milestone,
Yeah, in the next few years, whatever you're trying to achieve. what
ninth
will-
year is the milestone. No, so every day is is a little mad at MA. You should people are invited. Come and it's crazy because I'll think of an idea and it will be mad. And so also one of the younger directors will come and say, I want to try this, and I'll say, yeah, it's a good idea. We should try it. And then everybody will turn around and say, no, no, no. I think Manisha now has both Manisha and Madhu both have learned that we should give it a chance, and then let's not knock him down immediately. We'll knock him down after a couple of at least pretend that the idea is good, you know. But yeah, I mean, I think that every day has been a challenge. Every day, we try to do something new. We try to hear something more different. This thing. We encourage people to come with us with different ideas, with different with things which are difficult to do, things which are difficult to try, and even to do a Satyamev Jayate was very difficult. I mean, Milap is standing right over here. He had made Masti Zade before that. In fact, when he told me that I'm going to tell John you're producing the film, I said, don't do that. Don't do that, you know. But so it's for us every day is a challenge, and we look at and we accept the challenges and we work towards those challenges, whether they are uh, to do with the creative aspect of it, whether they are to do the production aspect of it. Lot of the time I'm pushing the envelope and I'm saying I want this, I want to shoot Airlift in Kuwait or Ras Al Khaimah or Beirut or whatever, and Madhu will turn and say, where is the money? We have no money. But we figure it out. So yeah, it's been great fun. And as far as milestones are concerned, you'll see right now we have next year will be 4 films from MA Entertainment and 5 shows on OTT platforms. So yeah, we are doing well.
Yep. But one more question. What over the 8 years, if you've learned so much, what is that one core mantra that you guys have kind of agreed to and said, this is what we'll be now sticking to, and this is what our core mantra for making films or shows would be?
So I'll tell you, one of the first things that I kept hearing when we got into this business was, your Naseeb is made Friday to Friday. And I turned to Madhu and Nikhil and I said, that doesn't make sense. We are products of middle class upbringing where our lives have always been about seeing our parents going to work Monday to Monday. And I said, that's the funda that we're going to work with. So very honestly, what a Friday brings for us at MA, that's great. If it's great, we have the same glass of beer and say cheers to each other. If it's not a good day, we'll do the same beer, we'll quench our thirst on that day. But on Monday, we're back at work. So that goes without saying. So if you ask me, what have we done differently? If somebody was to ask us, we live Monday to Monday. We build our company Monday to Monday. We're at work irrespective of our successes or failures. Thank you.
Congratulations once again.
Hello. Hi, Nikhil Bhakti from Box Office India. Congratulations again
Thank
on
you.
the success. And I just wanted to ask that when you all started this company, what aim did you all have at that point, and has it like developed over time right now, or is it still the same?
The aim of the company has always been to entertain. It's always been to entertain. It's been to push the imagination. It's been to inspire. What have we done differently? We've always made sure, very honestly, whatever the earnings are from each of these films, it's always gone back into the business. And I'm proud to say that today, when you look at our company, the size of our cabins, for example, are probably smaller than the size of the cabins of all the directors who work with us. And that is something that I'm very proud of. Keeping our egos in control. We've not grown our egos, but we've grown our company. I'd like to say that's what we stand for.
Don't start writing dialogues. Sir. I'll not have a job.
Nikhil sir.
Nikhil, Batla House and Batla House and Mission Mangal both are very exuberant films. But don't you think if either of this was releasing, having a clear window, it would have been better, trade-wise?
My job is only like to to tell the story. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it would. Yeah. But I mean, at the end of the day, also taking advantage of the holiday has been a big thing for us. We've really got the springboard because of the holiday. So don't know. I mean, I don't know whether I leave that completely. Till today, we have left it to our studio and our partners. The more we grow as a company, we hope to be getting into distribution, exhibition, and taking all those decisions also ourselves. Yeah, but I can't complain. I don't wish to complain. I think that, like I said, it's been a dream run for us, right? And we are standing over here, sitting over here, and we are looking forward to the next 8 and the next 8 after this.
Your company has grown on ladies' luck. Do you agree to it? As you said, both of them.
It is somebody's luck, definitely not mine. So yeah.
Your
I
hard
mean,
work, your
no,
creative work.
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
ladies' luck.
I think so. I think it's a lot of hard work and a lot of luck also. But I can't. The one thing we encourage is you got to work hard. You got to work really, really hard.
Would the ladies like to add something
Yeah.
to it about you?
Ladies luck.
Madhu, कुछ बोलोगे?
हाँ, please, नहीं, बिल्कुल आप.
Okay. आप भी बोलिए.
No, I think that it's just, the harder you work, the luckier you get. I think that that's the mantra we've always had at MA. And all three of us, like Monisha said, we are products of middle class. So we don't know any other way other than to come back to work, roll up our sleeves every day. So whether it's a success or a failure, you're just at it. And you don't look back to see how far you've come. You just keep looking forward to see how far you can go. And I think that's our attitude that keeps us going and keeps us together. And I think the wealth that we have accumulated, hopefully you'll see it as we end this press conference, is the team that we have grown and the directors that we have. I had a conversation this morning with somebody who's been with us, intermittently associating with us, and he said, Batla House is an excellent film, and Nikhil is a very, very talented director, and you need to grow more talent, and you need more directors like him. And I thought to myself, I wish he was attending this conference today, because that is our true wealth, which you will see towards the close of the conference.
निखिल, अपनी आने वाले फिल्मों के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे? Immediate next क्या है?
मैं actually immediately next I'm doing a show for a platform, for one of the big platforms. I can't mention which it is for obvious reasons. They want to announce it. But yeah, so right now I'm getting into a show which is based on 2611. Yeah, and the company will start. Yeah, that's going to be announced now. I'm going to do now. I'm not. He's doing all those announcements.
You can give a sneak peek, like,
Sorry.
you can give a sneak peek before it launches.
Yeah, so that as far as the company is concerned, Marjava will release end of this year. I by mistake said the date once, and then Milap started shouting at me. So Milap, Milap will announce the date. Marjava will release, which is Siddharth Malhotra, Ritesh Deshmukh, Tara Sutaria, and it will written and directed by Milap. That will release now. We're starting another film, which will. So you're going to Hindu Ki Jawani, which is directed by Abir Sen Gupta, lovely guy, writer, director. He's sitting at the back over there. That's got Kiara and Aditya Seal, Malika Dua. Beautiful script, very, very funny script. We will start SMJ 2, which at the beginning of next year, Satyamev Jayate 2. We will also start 2 other films, which one is untitled, but it's a beautiful cross-border, coming of age, cross-border kind of a film about it's a lovely, warm film. I can't. We want to announce the cast with usual fanfare or whatever, and then we are doing a psychological thriller with which is being directed by Vishal Furia. The earlier cross-border film is directed by she has been with me since 10 years, 9 years, and that's been directed by Kashvi Nair. And Vishal Furia is directing a film which is tentatively titled Snow. Other than that, Ranjit, who directed Lucknow Central, he is going to start his film. Gaurav, who directed Bazaar, he is starting his film. And Nikhil Gonzalez, who's been my assistant for so long and who's working on a show called Hasmukh with Veerdas and Ranveer Shori, for that he will also work on another show with me. So yeah, that's the
So
whole
you have a
lineup.
bouquet of films and shows.
Yeah,
All the best.
thank you.
हाय निखिल, आपका इधर लेडी लक आपके साथ है, लेकिन फीमेल सेंट्रिक कोई मूवी भी बनाने का इरादा है आपका?
जी, Hindu Ki Jawani is a female subject-centric script. It is a completely Kiara. It's about वो क्या बोलता है, dating app. Dating app goes wrong in Ghaziabad. वो कैसे गड़बड़ हो सकता है उसके बारे में बहुत ही फनी स्क्रिप्ट है. अबीर ने कमाल का स्क्रिप्ट लिखा है. मोनिशा मधु ने सुना, मुझे सुनाया. मुझे लगा कि मतलब why are you also waiting for me to hear it? It's so funny. इतना funny script है in the space of 3. Sorry Abir, I'm saying giving away too much. On Snow, जो psychological serial killer की film है, is about a female cop. Yeah.
First of all, congrats for clocking 8 glorious years. So my question is that after establishing yourself as one of the leading production houses in Bollywood, do you guys have any plan to venture into regional markets?
In regional markets, actually, yeah, we wanted to make a film about 3 years ago, a Marathi film, but things didn't work out. But we are, of course, 100%. Why not?
Thank you.
And Milap, in any case, most of his films are like South Indian films, so so we'll turn it around.
Monisha ji, we saw you as, मतलब हमें एक glimpse मिला था in Batla House as psychiatrist. So आने वाले projects में भी हम देख सकते हैं as a full-fledged role या कुछ ऐसा something?
फर्स्टली तो ये एक प्रैंक था. मुझे एक्चुअली निखिल और जॉन ने चाहा कि दे कुड प्रैंक मिलाप, बिकॉज मिलाप आप जानते हो जैसे जिस तरह से जितने जज्बाती होकर उन्होंने मेरी इंट्रोडक्शन दे दी. दे जस्ट वांटेड टू टीज हिम. वो उस समय मरजावा की शूट कर रहा था और ये दोनों बाटला हाउस शूट कर रहे थे. तो उन्होंने मुझे सेट पे बुलाया और बोला कि ये प्लीज़ एक शॉट दे देना, फिर हम मिलाप को भेज देंगे और वो जलेगा वहाँ पे. और मिलाप ट्रू टू फॉर्म मुझे टेक्स्ट करते गया कि आर यू रियली डूइंग दिस, आर यू. मुझे क्या पता था ये पिक्चर में भी घुसा देंगे इन्होंने. पिक्चर में ही डाल दिया शॉट. और आई एम टेलिंग यू वो प्रैंक और भी बढ़ गया क्योंकि उन्होंने मधु का नाम वहाँ पे जोड़ दिया और बोल दिया मधु अडवाणी. तो हम लोग की तो आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस हो गई है इसके बाद. और जहाँ तक आगे मेरी करियर का सवाल है, मेरे ख्याल से मैंने सारे डायरेक्टर्स को मैंने कहा अगर लकी मैस्कॉट चाहिए तो फिर पहले पैसे भी निकालिएगा.
Of course, hit mascot है.
Hello, Nikhil, Neha this side from Navbharat Times. I just want to know कि आपने जितनी भी ये फिल्में बनाई हैं वो एक्शन या फिर थ्रिलर रही हैं, तो कोई रोमांटिक एकदम फुल फ्लेज रोमांटिक फिल्म देखनी?
I'm so how the questions have changed. Before Batla was a question, so आपने अब तक सिर्फ romantic films बनाई है. How come you are making only thrillers? Listen, I don't know. I wait for a script to come, an idea to come. मुझे पता नहीं. मैं उस दिन किसी के साथ बैठा था. उन्होंने बोला कि why don't you make a film with me? And why we not doing something again together? And I said, you know, I can. Let's do something like Bridges of Madison County. So they jumped up. So I don't know. I have no idea. मेरे दिमाग में क्या होता है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. But I am right now committed to do 1911. That's something that I'm going to start writing. जो I'm making with John next year. So that will start end of next year.
Hi Nikhil. Hi. Nikhil, I wanted to ask the football film with John.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, 1911.
Right. A little bit about that. You could share the moment.
Well, it's a true story. 1911 was the football, the match that took place between the Immortal 11 and the Yorkshire Regiment. It's the one event that actually ignited the freedom movement in India. It's a script that John and his team had been working for the last 5 years. I believe Shujit was going to direct it, and then he didn't. I mean, it didn't work out between him and John. So yeah, I love the idea. I like that period. It's again nationalistic, patriotic. It triggered off things where 11 men did not realize how they were energizing an entire country to take up a kind of movement which led to the freedom of India in 1947. There is a moment when I was doing my research, there's a moment in the film when there's a moment in the story when they were asked when a young boy asked Shibdas Bahaduri, who was the captain of the Immortal 11, when will we ever win again against? And he said, when he pointing to the British flag, will come down. And ironically, they won in 1947.
When do you plan to go on floors with that?
Sorry?
When are you planning to go on floors with that?
End of next year.
Right.
Yeah,
And-
I like to take my time. So I
Right.
like to write, research,
Right.
do a lot of prep and then come. Yeah.
And adding to that, you're also collaborating with John's own banner. And how central has John been to the journey of MA, given that he's done two very recent films? so well?
John has two very big biceps and big shoulders, and literally he's carrying us, right? Whether it is Satyamev Jayate, whether it is Batla House, whether it is Satyamev Jayate 2, whether it is the other films that we are doing with him as a joint venture between MA and JA. So we are committed to do 6 films with him, as a company, which maybe I'll direct, with maybe he will act in, but definitely we will come up with 6 interesting films to do. Yeah, so we are together.
And Madhuma, I had a question now. How strenuous was the entire court case thing, given that there was a lot of suspense regarding, about the release at least before. And so how was that time, just figuring it out and the entire legal hassle of it? And now that the film's doing well, how do you feel?
I don't think she should give away, because that could be like a part 2 kind of a thing.
It was very
Nikhil sir.
stressful. I
Hello.
think Nikhil already talked about it. At one point, we thought the film may not get its release on 15th August, and it was tough. It was really, really tough, and I think it was our first experience with the litigation. But that's the wonder of our democracy, that when you make a film, you open yourself up not just to critique, but anybody can have a voice and have an opinion and even object. I just think that we had a strong case, and we had a very good legal team, and I guess we prayed very hard.
Thank you so much.
Here we are.
Last
Hi,
question.
हाय निखिल, रवि फ्रॉम एबीपी न्यूज़. निखिल, आपकी डी डे देखी थी मैंने, बहुत मुझे पसंद आई थी फिल्म ने बॉक्स ऑफिस पर इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया था. जब आप पास में रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं तो अब क्या लगता है आपको इस फिल्म के बारे में सोच के?
डीडे के बारे में?
हाँ.
या मुझे आज रिलीज करना चाहिए. I wish I could release it again. No, it'll always be the most special film. One of the it changed my life actually as a filmmaker. So मतलब anything I say is less as far as D-Day is concerned. But I don't know. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ in the way I made it and the way it was received. But yeah, I wish more and more people had seen it.
एक और सवाल निखिल, जब हम कुछ भी कंपनी शुरू करते हैं या जो हमारी जर्नी होती है, बहुत उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं हमारे ज़िंदगी में. लाइफ में ऐसा कोई रिग्रेट किसी भी चीज़ को लेके, या ये जो फिल्म की जर्नी रही है उस दौरान?
These two women never allow me to regret anything. At the worst, at the most lowest phase of my life, they came to my house, they sat down, they said, "What are you doing? Chalo, let's get to work." And we got to work the next day. So they don't allow me to regret anything. And yeah, so that's it. It really helps to have very strong pillars. Akshay called me up today and said that, "अरे तुम्हारी दोनों बहन बहुत ही तेरे pillars है, कभी भूलना मत, कभी भूलना मत." I said, "सेठ जी मैं कभी नहीं भूलता."
So what was your lowest phase in your life?
I don't know. There have been so many. I don't know. Yeah.
So, given a chance, will you like to make a film on bike?
On what? I'm making 1911. It's about football. Why not? Yeah, sure. 100%. With John? Yeah, why not? 100%.
Thank you.
Sir,
Okay, last question.
yes, Nikhil sir, Vandana from Film India. Congratulations for the 8 years of journey. I wanted to know, digital platform is a lot more famous going on. So, any plans of going into web series
I
and
just said we are doing
production
5 shows next year.
5 shows?
We will release 5 shows next year. We will release 5 shows next year.
You have released.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Now to applaud. Pardon? Okay. To applaud and appreciate all the strengths and directors of MA, starting with वो जिसने film industry के बाजार में हलचल मचा दी,